And I want to put this to the test, which I've been speaking of, that a strategy doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate with a coin toss. You can call it, well, it is some form of a strategy if you want to call it that. I'll call it the coin toss strategy, just to show you that everything is random. So I have my coin here, and we're going to look at any pair, but let's just see, I just selected pound for this one, so that's GU. Let's just go back a bit. We can take it from any date. Let's just go back to the start of October. Right, start of October. I haven't looked through these charts, so we're just going to make this very random. Okay, so I'm just going to toss a coin, and as you can see, the heads will be a buy and tails will be a sell. And I'll have a 25 pip stop loss, 50 pip take profit. Let's see what happens. Okay, and the only thing I'm going to do is at the start of the day, so that's when I'll place the trade. So let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. 1st of October, let me toss this coin, right? And that is tails. Okay, so tails says to me I must sell. So let's see what happens here. Tails is a sell, and this is the 1st of October 2024. Let's see what will be my entry point. All right, I'm just going to use lines here. Okay, just for us to see horizontal line. So I would have entered a sell here. Okay, and that would be 133.77. Okay, entry point 133.77. Entry point. My stop loss would be, if I'm selling, that means that my stop loss is above, right? And my take profit is below. So I'm subtracting. Okay, so let me just draw that line. This will be my first trade. Stop loss, we said 134.02. Somewhere up here. Let's just see, what is this? 130 something. Just for visual. Right, somewhere there, 134.2. Take profit, we said 133.27. Somewhere down here, let's just see. 133.27. Correct with this. 133. It is correct. 133.77. 133. Let me just see, what was the entry point? 133.77. So take profit 133.27. Oh, okay, that's further down. So, right, 133. That'll be a 50 take profit. Somewhere down here, I'm just doing this for visual sake. Okay, somewhere there, 133.27. Right. So we want this thing to go down. Let's see what happens. This is the first trade. Okay, and there you can see that's a take profit hit, and that would have been, let's just see how long would that be. That would be at around 10 a.m. my broker's time, which is 2 hours behind me. That would be like midday South African time. Okay, so that was just first trade is a win. Okay, so we can put the win, and that was around 12 noon my time. Okay, let's do the next one. So I'm gonna delete these lines, right, and we'll just see. Delete. That was my entry line. So we're gonna do the next day, and I'll toss the coin again. That was 1st October. Trade was done. Right. Okay. The 2nd of October. Let me toss this coin, and this is heads. Okay. Right. So heads. We said we buy. All right. That's a strategy I'm using. Heads. Okay. 2nd of October 2024, and head says buy. So let's do the lines again. Set horizontal line. So I'm buying. It's somewhere there, right? What is the price? 132.77. Wow, that's crazy. 132.77. That's where I'm buying. That means my stop loss is going to be below there, 25 pips, sorry, and my take profit is going to be above there because I said I'm buying. This is random, guys. So wow, what is my entry here? Let me just check this again. 132.77, right? So my take profit, the numbers are playing up funny, but it's how it is. So 50 pips above here is 133.27. So let's just put that there, right? 133.27, which is somewhere up here. Okay, somewhere up there, 133.27, and my stop loss 132.52, somewhere down here. 132.52. Okay, somewhere about there. Just for visualizing sake, okay? To visualize it. Okay, so let's see what would have happened. Is it a buy? This is just random. Okay, so this one it was stopped out. So that was a loss. Let's just delete this. And it came at what time? We stopped out. That seems to be. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move this forward. 2 hours, so that's 16:45 my time. So that was a US session. That was a loss. Okay, let's go to the next day. I think maybe to save time, I'll just put the entry on the chart. Right, let's go to the next day. Okay, let's toss the coin. 3rd of October. And this time it is tails. Okay. So tails says sell. Okay. This is for day trading, guys. I'm just showing you that strategy really doesn't matter. Let's just see what happens. So tails says that we are selling. Okay, so what I'll just do, I'll just put okay, we're selling, so we want this thing to go down, right? Want it to go down. Entry point is, what's my entry point again? 132.62. Okay, 132.62. Okay, I'll just put the figures here. So tails is sell, so stop loss is above, take profit is below. Right, let's see what happens. We want this thing to go down to 132.12. I think we hit it for sure. Let's see. First we're saying 50 pips, and 50 pips was hit with one candle right here, just this candle, and the time there was 7 a.m. my time. Okay, so that was a win. That was a win. This is just, as you can see, guys, just a simple coin toss. I'm not putting any other strategies at work. Okay, let's see the next day. Right, see the next day. I'll toss the coin. Okay, 4th of October, toss the coin, and this time it's heads. Okay. This time it's heads. 4th of October. So heads, we said we are going to buy. Okay, so let me put my line. Right, buy here. What is the price? 131.31. 131.31. So if I'm buying, I mean my stop loss is below, my take profit is above. So it is a bit of a strategy because I've got the 1 to 2 ratio and all that, but basically, as you can see, there's absolutely no analysis here. I am just tossing a coin. So if it goes down, we're out. If it goes up, we win. I think that is a win. Let's see. Control F, we said 50 pips from here. Right, okay, we still gotta go a bit. Oh, that's trading for you. Who could have seen that candle coming? So didn't quite reach our 50 pips. Got to 42, but we were definitely stopped out. It must have been a news candle. 25 pips. Stopped out on that news candle. This was what time was this? This would have been 12:30. That looks like a change over to New York session. So that was about 2:30. That was a lot. Okay. Let's see the next one. Right, let's see the next one. Random. Okay, let's toss the coin for the 5th of October. We have got tails. Tails says we sell. Tails, 5th of October. Okay, I should put this down. Right, what is my entry point? Tail says sell. Somewhere here. And this is 131.04. 131.04 selling. 131.04. If I'm selling, then my stop loss is above. Right, 25 pip stop loss. My take profit is below. That's right. So I want this thing to go down. Let's see how it goes. Looks like it's going up. It was another weekend changeover. Okay. Oh, looks like we won here. Is it? Let's see how many pips is that. It's 50 pips. Not quite 50. Let's just keep going. Did we get it? Still into the next day. Did we get it here? Let's see. I've got up to 40 pips. And our stop loss would have been 25 pips. That's not 25 pips going the other way. So it's held over into another day. Let's see, do we have 50 pips here? Not quite yet. That's into the 9th of October, since it was holding a level. Let's see. Okay, I think we got it here by now. Definitely with that spike. Definitely more than 50, so we got it, but that was on the 10th of October. And that was at 2:30. New York changeover again. Okay. So that was a win. Alright. That was on the 10th of October. So the next day, 11th of October, let's see what happens. Okay. Let me just delete that line. This is M15 if you're wondering the time frame I'm using, just to see the movement of the chart. So that was 10th of October, we got our win. Let's see, 11th of October, do the coin toss. Right, let's go. Right, that's tails. Okay, 11th of October, tails, and tails we said is a sell. So let's see what we get. Okay. We're trying to put this theory to the test. 130.61. 130.61. So if we are selling, stop loss is above, take profit is below, right? Below. Let's see what happens. We want to get to 130.01. Okay, did that hit our stop? Let's see how many pips is that from here to there. Not quite, that's 24 pips almost into the next day now. Is that 50 pips? Let's see. Yeah, no, that's just about 30. Let's see into the next day. Did that hit our stop? Let's see. Look at it holding. Okay, so the stop loss was hit on the 15th of October, so that's a lot. Okay, and around what time was that? 25 pips was hit. Okay, there was some with this candle here, and that is 12:15. Okay, and that was on the 15th, so you can see the market was quite choppy there. Let's see the next day, 16th of October, see what happens. I'll just keep this line as long as we're nearby. Okay, let's toss the coin, right? That's my strategy. This time we got heads. Okay, heads means we buy. Okay, what is the price? Price is somewhere there, 130.63, 130.63. So if I'm buying, my stop loss is below, right, and my take profit is above, right. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's news straight out of, that's a move London session. Definitely that would have stopped us out here without a shadow of doubt. How many pips? That's more than, yeah, that's a changeover. Don't trade a changeover, guys. That's 8 a.m. my time. That would have been opening of the London session. Okay, so here I'm not putting any strategies into practice. I'm just showing you guys that trading, I believe it's not so much about your strategy, it's more about you as a person. Okay, so here we go. This day, let's toss the coin. That's the strategy which I'm saying, coin toss. What does it land on? Okay, this time it's tails. All right, and what does tails say? And this will be for the 17th of October. Tails says we buy. Okay, let's move our entry point down here. What is our entry point? 129.92. Okay. 129.92. If we are buying, that means my stop loss is below and my take profit is above. Okay, let's see what happens. How many pips is that? I don't think it's quite there. No, it's about 30 pips. Into the next day. Okay, that's definitely TP hit. Let's see. Yeah, and it would have been hit on this candle. What was the time? That was again opening of London session, so you can see when the market moves, guys. So that was 8 a.m. That was a win, right? Again, 08. Right, let's see the next day. About 18 October, let's see the next day. Okay. Let's just have this nearby. Let's do the coin toss for the 19th of October. And that is heads. And heads. Did I make a mistake on the previous one? I said tails. It was a heads, the last one. My bad. This was a heads. This heads is buy. And I've got heads again. And heads is buy. So this will be for the 19th of October. And we're saying buy, and the time is, the price, somewhere over there. 130.40. Okay, 130.40. That means my stop loss is below. And my stop loss 130.15, and my take profit is above. It will be 130. Let's see what happens. It wanted to go up according to this entry. It's going down 100 pips. That's a loss, I'm sure. See, yeah, that's a loss. Okay, and this loss came when? That's New York session, somewhere there. New York session. It's like 16:30 my time, because my broker is 2 hours ahead. So 2 hours behind, sorry. So that was a loss, and it was on a Monday. Don't trade. Monday is a bit tricky. You gotta watch it. Okay, let's go for the next day. 22nd of October. Okay, that was 21st of October, sorry, because it was a weekend. 22nd of October. Let's do the coin toss. And that is tails. Tails says sell, right? From here, we want to sell. What is the price? 129.83. 129.83. And if I'm selling, stop loss is above. My stop loss is above. And my take profit is below. Let's see how it goes. How many pips is that? Let's just see. 25. Okay, that was a stop out here. Stop out from the AEN session. It was somewhere there. 8:15. Yeah, just on the changeover into London session. That was a loss. Oh, not good. Okay. Okay, anyway, let's see the next day. Here we go. So our entry would have been somewhere there. Let's see. What do we get? That's heads. Okay. Heads. It's the 23rd of October. 24 price is at 129.79. 129.79, right? Heads means buy, so stop loss is below. Right, take properties above. Okay. Okay, let's see what happened. Why did it go up? Looks like it was a loss. Yeah, definitely around somewhere here. That's 11, 12. That's changeover London to New York, 13:45. That was a loss again. Ooh, not good. Not good. Okay. Well, that's the coin toss strategy. Let's see the next day how it goes. Okay. We come down here. Coin toss. What do we get? we've got tails, and tails says sell, and we're selling at, what's the price here? 129.14. Okay, 129.14. And if I'm selling, and that means my stop loss is above, and my take profit is below. Let's see how this goes. Okay, this looks like a stop out again. It went long, and that was again probably out of London session. Yeah, 9 o'clock. Not good, another loss. Okay. Alright, let's see the next day how it went. Okay, now the 25th of October. Let's toss the coin, and that is heads. It says buy, right? And we're buying. What is the price? Price is 129.70. Okay, 129.70. Our stop loss below. Our take profit is above. Let's see how it goes. Just chopping around. How many pips was that? Just 25 pips. How many pips is this? Let's see. Okay, we would have been stopped out here. That was a changeover. This was a Monday. It looks like about 7 a.m. on Monday. Would have been another loss. 0.7. Okay. Let's see the Tuesday. What would have happened? Alright. Toss the coin again. This is GU. I've got heads. That's heads. This is a buy. And this is 129.74. Okay, so we're buying. Stop loss is below. Take profit is above. Here it went. Looks like it was a win. That 50 pips. Not yet. Next day. Oh, let's see if we would have been stopped out or made it here. So we would have got the win here at that candle. 8:15. Change over Asian into Europe session. Okay, 10:15 actually. That will be London session. So that was a win. 10:15. You can try this on any pair. I'm just using pound, one of the most commonly traded pairs. Okay, let's see the next day. We'll do the coin toss. Right. That is 30th of October. Before, right, toss this coin. We got tails. Tails means we sell. And what is the price on this thing? The price is 129.58. Okay, 129.58. And if we're selling, that means I will also, if I'm selling, that means stop loss is above, so I'm adding, and take profit is below, subtract. Right, and there it goes. What did go down? Okay, like, let's see how many pips is that from here. Okay, we would have got our take profit within this period, probably on this candle. That's 4 o'clock my time. So that was changeover into the New York session. Okay, all right, let's keep going. Let's see. That was we got that on the 31st of October, so now it's like we're getting into November, right? Here we go. Let's do a coin toss. 1st of November. That's tails. Tails again. This time it's 1st of November. We are saying we're selling. The price would have been at what? 128.93. 128.93. So if I'm selling, remember, stop loss is above 25 pips. Take profit is below. Let's just see. We've done the whole of October. Let's just see the start of November. How long can we go? Okay, that looks like a stop out. Definitely. Yep. Would have been stopped out somewhere here. Start of the month. One of these candles. 9, 10, 11, quarter past 11 my time. That would have been a loss. Okay. Let's just do the next day. See what will happen. 3rd of November. It was a weekend, seems. Okay, that's heads. Heads. 3rd of November. Okay, what was our price? Heads, we say we will buy 129.66. 129.66. If we are buying, stop loss is below, and take profit is above. Right. Let's see. How do we do here? How many pips is this? Is this a stop out maybe? Yep, it would have been stopped out here. That looks like a changeover into London. That's 1670, 1845 the next day. That would have been a loss. Okay. Let's see the next day. Somewhere down here. Toss the coin, and that is heads again. Okay, so heads means we buy, and price was at 129.52. 129.52. If I'm buying, stop loss is below, take profit is above. Right, let's see what happened. Want it to go up. Looks like it went up. Let's see how many pips is that. Yeah, definitely we got our 50 pips somewhere here. This candle. That was a win, yay. And that will be 1450, 1650. That was a win. New York session. Same day. Okay. Go back. Okay. So the next day. Okay. Let's see what it would have been. The 6th of November. Toss the coin. That is tails. How many trades have I done here? That would have been the 6th of November, right? Let's just see how many trades have I done here. 1, 2. That's 19. We'll do 20, and I think that should be enough for a sample. Okay. let's see here, 130.10, right? 130.10, and I said that is tails, right? So if it's tails, we said we are selling, so that means my stop loss is above and my take profit is below. Let's see, so we want this thing to go down. Let's see how it went, guys. Okay, that looks like it was a win in the Asian session for me. Right, definitely 50 points in a few hours time. Okay, somewhere there. That's like 3 a.m. my side. That was a win. Okay, so let's do the last trade now, just for this sample, to see the coin toss strategy, how it goes. Okay, so this will be the 7th of November. Let's toss the coin, see what we get. Toss the coin, and that is heads. It's heads. So heads, we said we buy. This was the 7th of November. And we're gonna be buying at, what was the price here? Is this thing changing? Okay. Right, that is 128.88. Okay, 128.88. So if we're buying, I'm saying my stop loss is below this. If I put below, and my take profit will be above this price. Okay. Alright, let's see. We want 129.38. Last trade of the sample. Can we get a win? I believe we did. Let's see. Is that 50 pips? Yep, 50 pips came in even during the Asian session here. That's 50 pips. Okay. Somewhere here. That was 7, which is 9 a.m. my side, so that would be a win at 9 a.m. Okay. So now let's just take a look at this table, guys. Alright. So wherever there was a win, that was 50 pips. If there's a loss, that was minus 25. So let's just see how this went. Minus 25. Okay. This was a win, this was a loss, minus 25. This was a win, plus 50. This was a loss, minus 25. This was a loss, minus 25. This was a win, plus 50. Loss, oof, this was a bad streak. 1, 2, 3. Coin toss strategy wasn't doing well here. 4. Wow. 5. We got a win. We got a win. Then we had a loss. Then we had a loss. And we ended with a nice hat trick of 3 wins. Okay. So let's see what would have been our total in this sample of 20 trades. Wow, look at that, guys. Plus 175 pips, and that's just with a simple coin toss. So absolutely zero knowledge except for how to enter, put a stop loss, and take profit. Of course, spread can make a difference on this, but at the same time you could have gained more. As you could see, some of these trades went for longer. The take profits and that you can play around. If you want a 1-to-3 ratio, you can do this for yourself and test it, but I've proven here, I believe, simple. This is on pound. I've done sample from 1st of October to 7th of November with about 20 trades, right? And you can see the end result was plus 175 pips. And if you're using lot size of 0.1, that should have been, if you're using that small lot size, 175 pips, that should be about $175 profit. Use a higher thing. I got that on the trade calculator where you can see the size of your trades that you enter, but basically it was a win. You would have gained without using any strategy, just simply tossing a coin. Okay, So there are strategies which give you a better edge than this, because our win ratio here, let's see, what was our win ratio? How many wins did we have? Let's just count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our strike rate here, we had 9 out of 9 wins and 11 losses. So that was 9 over 20. Okay, so which is less than 50%. Let me just put this as a percentage. That was 45% win rate, and I can teach you with market maker method a much better strike rate than this. But anyway, with that 45% 1 to 2 risk, you still would have gained 175 pips, $175, $1.750, depending on your lot size. Okay, so this shows, guys, trading, it's not really so much about your strategy. Your strategy just gives you an edge on which way the market will go, but it's more about yourself. I hope this proved something. There's a lot more videos, a lot more to trading than just this, but I was just doing this. You can try it yourself on a different pair, on whatever. I believe you'll get the same result. You see that? Okay, so thank you for watching, guys.
Learn, then earn money online. You control your money. You control the risk and the reward. Start from as little as $10. Stop losing to get-rich-quick scams and pyramid schemes. Learn a legitimate skill of online trading. Already a trader? Stop donating to brokers. Become independent. Stop relying on signals and careless account managers. Learn to trade the market maker way. Take our course and follow the rules of big banks and smart money. Get wisdom. Get understanding. Get wealth. Contact MarketWise traders today.